Friends, today we will solve little clear Sudoku. This Sudoku uses some advanced techniques and it is good for newcomer or beginners to understand these techniques. If you don't know the rules are as follows. There is an arrow given and a number given, and arrow is drawn in one direction. So the cells which come in all the cells which come in the direction of an arrow, the sum of those numbers should be equal to that given number. So this should be equal to 9. So this cell and this cell, two cell sum should be equal to 9. Similarly, this cell and this cell sum should be equal to 15. Similarly, this cell, this cell and this cell sum should be equal to 18, and so on and so forth. If you want to get clear with rules, you can read rules below. This is from my blog, lifeinsudoku.blogspot.com. So let's start a solve. If you see, there are multiple possibilities of all the sum given, and there is no clear start. But if we consider these two numbers together, let's see what happens. So these two numbers have these cells and these cells, and their sum should be 15 plus 21 is equal to 36. Now, since it is 6 cross 6 Sudoku, the 3 cells over here and 3 cells over here could have maximum sum of 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is equal to 15. Let's see once again. So we are considering these two numbers together. Together their sum is 36. Now if we see these 3 cells and these 3 cells, they can have maximum of 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 15 as sum. So now if I see that means this could be maximum 15, this could be maximum 15, and since we have 36, we need 6 more, which is the highest number in 6 cross 6. So this number, what it should be? 6. And these number will be 4, 5 and 6. So let's write this. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5 and 6. So you should get this particular configuration now. Now let's see these two cells together. So these are the cells which are directly coming in direction of these two numbers. The sum of these numbers are 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. Now if we see these 3 and 1, these 4 cells, the maximum sum of these cells will be 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 18. That means within this 24 sum, we can only fit 18 in this box. So what will come here? 24 minus 18, which is 6. So we have reached till this point, and we could, so now we have start. Now since this is 15 and these are 6, This is 6 plus 6, that is 12, and remaining is 3. Since this is 6, this cannot be 6. Since this is 6, these two cannot be 6, so this is 6. So we have reached till this point. Now if we see, this is 21 sum, and we have this 6 plus this 6, which is 12. 9 is remaining. If so, that means 9 should come from these two cells. So if 6 comes, we cannot have 9 sum, so this will also not be 6. So this is 6. So we have reached till this point. Now also this is 4 5 and 4 5. So this is 1 2, this is 1 2, this is 1 2. Now consider this 9. Now 9 sum can be achieved by 3 6 or 4 5. If we see, 6 and 6 are already present, so 6 cannot come, so this sum is not possible, so only this sum is possible. So these are 4 5 and 4 5. Now we'll consider this sum. 6 is already present, that means we need to have more 8 in this direction, and these two cells should get 8. Now possible 8 sum is 2 6 3 5. Since 5 is already present within this sum, we can only have this combination. So this is 6, this is 2. Now this is 1 3, this is 1 3. Now let's complete all 6. So now all 6 are completed. Now we can see this 18. It has these 4 cells, and already 1 6 and another 6 has come in this direction. So already it has achieved 12. It needs 6 more. So the sum of these two cells will be 6. Though it will not give you immediately the digits, but it is good to know the limits of these cells. Now see one more good technique to put possible digits. So if we see this sum, which is 11, it has 1 2 3 4 5. These 5 cells, and the sum of these 5 cells should be 11. So if we just think, what could be the possible maximum number which can come in this cell? So we need to put minimum numbers in these 4 cells to get to that maximum. Let's see. Minimum possible is 1, minimum possible is 4, minimum possible is 1 2. So 1 2. So now if I sum these 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 6, and 2 8. That means this cell could have 1 2 or 3. This is the only possibility. Since here is 2, this possibility is only 1 and 3. Similarly, what could be the maximum digit which I can put here? And that will also turn out to be 1 2 and 3. Since 2 is here, this should be 1 and 3. If it is difficult to get, slow down and check it again. Now we have reached till this point. Now there is an interesting deduction wherein Consider this cell. If it is 1, what will happen to this and this cell? They both will become 3 and 3, and they are also coming in the direction of 11. So the sum of this is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Minimum possible here is 4. That means 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And here minimum sum we can get is 3, which will violate this. This means this cannot be 1. So this is 2. So we have reached till this point. Now we can have more deduction from simple Sudoku rules. One more interesting technique. See this 1 3. In this box, this 1 3 will come here. Whatever it is, so you think circle is depicting same number. So this circle, then this circle, and this circle. That means this and this are same numbers. So we cannot have 3 here because we have seen it was violating 11 constraint. So this number will be 1. So this also will be 1. This will be 3. This will be 1. This will be 3. This will be 3. So these are normal Sudoku rules which are applied to get these digits. That should not be a problem. Still you have any problem, you can ask in the comments. Now these two cells should be 6 to complete this 18. 4 5 is already there, so this should be 1 or 2, and this is 4 5. So we have reached till this point. Now I can easily write over here 2. This is 4 5. So we have reached till this point. Now see this sum 13. We already have 6 plus 2 8, and we need 5 more. So this is 5. This is 4. This is 5. 4 5 4 5 4 4 4 5 5. And now finally if we see 18, we already have 6 plus 6 plus 6 12 plus 5 17. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2. Hopefully you like this solve and you came to know some good techniques. If you like, you can comment, and if you have any queries you can comment. I'll try to answer. Thank you.